Namaste. Welcome to Fit in 5 by Cult Fit Life. I am Shweta and I will guide you through a short session for yoga for upper body. So let's get started. Be seated in Vajrasana. Roll your shoulders back. Interlock your fingers behind you. As you inhale, lift your chest, look up. Exhale, forehead on the mat. Take your arms away from you. We do this for 4 more times. Inhale to lift your chest. Bring your shoulder blades as close as you can. Exhale, forehead on the mat. Stretch your shoulders. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale to fold. Last 2. Inhale, lift your chest. See if you can stretch your arms a little more. Exhale to fold forward. One last. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale to fold forward. Inhale to come up. Exhale to release your arms. The next one, we'll sit in Vajrasana. We'll be doing Garudasana arms. For this, as you inhale, stretch your arms at shoulder level. Exhale, take your right arm over your left. Make sure all your fingers are pointing up. Let's do this together for 3 rounds. Inhale, take your elbows away, arch back. Exhale, come back to the starting position. Inhale, see if you can lift your elbows a little higher. Exhale. One last. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Now as you inhale, stretch your arms at shoulder level. Take your left arm over your right. 3 more. Inhale to lift your elbows up. Exhale. Inhale, stretch those shoulders. Exhale. One last. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Release your arms. The next posture we'll be doing is Parigasana. So you will come on your knees, separate your knees hip width apart. From here, stretch your right leg to the right side. Make sure your toes are pointing forward. If this is not convenient, turn your foot at an angle. We hold this posture for 5 breaths. Stretch your arms at shoulder level as you inhale. Exhale, slide your right palm towards the right. Stretch your left arm up towards the ceiling. Hold this posture. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. Keep stretching your left fingertips. 4, 5. Inhale, come back to center. From here we transition to Ardha Mandalasana. All you need to do is place your left fingertips in line with your left knee. Stretch your right arm up. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to release. We change sides. Stretch your left leg. Stretch your arms at shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale, lateral stretch to your left side. Look up. Stretch your right fingertips towards the ceiling. 5, 4. Open your chest. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, right fingertips in line with your right knee. Stretch your left arm up. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to release. One last posture, upward facing dog. For this, we lie down on our abdomen. Place your palms right under your shoulders. Keep your feet hip-width apart. As you inhale, press your palms, lift your chest, knees and thighs off the mat. You can look forward. If you're comfortable, drop your neck back. Press your palms, shoulders away from your ears. Breathe. 1, 2, keep pressing the top edges of your feet. 4, 5. Exhale, drop your knees down, sit back in Vajrasana. Thank you so much for joining me today in this quick session for upper body. For longer sessions, do explore the CultFit app. Namaste.